Now, on question number 9, we take a look at this dump truck, and it looks like we have a rectangular prism and half of a cylinder. We want to find the volume and put them together. So for our prism, it's the area of the base times the height. So that'll be 24 times 8 times 4, or a variation of that. We're going to multiply those three together. So that's 24 times 32, and 24 times 32 is 768. That would be the volume of the box. Now let's do half of a cylinder. So that's 1/2 of pi r squared h. So it's 1/2 of pi. My radius, or my diameter, is 4. So my radius is 2. And then the distance of my cylinder, my height, is 24. So I get 24 pi for my volume of my half a cylinder. So my total volume would be 768 plus 24 pi. And we're going to round that to the nearest whole number. So 768 plus 24 pi is about 843 cubic feet. There we have that one. Now, on question number 10, we have two similar solids with areas. So that's k squared. So k squared equals 54 to 108. We can simplify that. So k squared is 1 over 2. Now, I have the volume of my smaller solid is 27, and I want to find the volume of the larger solid, and I'm going to do that to the nearest tenth of a cubic inch. Well, first of all, k squared is 1/2. That means k is the square root of 1 over the square root of 2, or my ratio is 1 to the square root of 2. I know the volume of my smaller solid is 27. I want to know the volume of my biggest one rounded to the nearest tenth. So in other words, x is 27 square roots of 2. So 27 times the square root of 2. Let's round that to the nearest tenth. That's 27 times 1.4. I should be able to do that in our head, but I can't. And we get about 38.2 cubic inches. Okay, question number 11. According to the aviation report, there are 7,000 aircraft flying over a certain country at any time. The airspace of this country is approximately 5 million square miles. What's the density of the aircraft flying over the country? Well, the density is the how much we have. So it would be 7,000 over 5 million. That will be aircraft per square mile. So we just take 7,000 divided by 5 million. could have reduced those 3 of those zeros and just taken 7 divided by 500 by 5,000, but we'll just do it this way. And we get it at 0.0014. Let's make sure I got my zeros right. 0.0014 would be the density. And there we have it. Nice density problem.